Now, I'm going to say something most people don't want to hear. Hard work, by itself, is no longer enough. And before you get angry or defensive, listen carefully. This isn't about talent. It's not about laziness. And it's definitely not about giving up. It's about reality. Because right now, two people can work equally hard. Same hours, same effort, same stress. But one of them uses it and the other doesn't. One finishes in 2 hours. The other takes 2 days. And the system rewards speed, not suffering. Explain calmly. For decades, we were told, just work harder, stay late, grind, sacrifice. That advice made sense in a world where effort scaled linearly. But AI broke that equation. Today, effort without leverage is invisible. Nets. The hard truth most people are slowly discovering painfully. Now here's the part most videos won't tell you. I didn't kill jobs. It killed slow workflows. Let that sink in. If your value comes only from time and effort, AI will outperform you. But if your value comes from thinking, deciding, and directing, AI multiplies you. Give examples. A student who manually reads every chapter versus a student who uses AI to summarize, quiz, and explain. A professional who writes every email from scratch versus someone who drafts, refines, and sends in minutes. Same intelligence, same effort, different outcomes. Hard work used to be the advantage. Now, leverage is the advantage, and AI is leverage. Important line. These doesn't mean effort is useless. It means effort must be paired with tools or it gets drowned out. So if hard work isn't dead, what exactly died? Let us talk about the old rules we still following and why they refailing us. Rule 1. Do everything yourself. This used to mean discipline. Now it means inefficiency. Doing everything manually isn't noble. Anymore, it's slow. Rule 2. Struggle means you're learning. Struggle without feedback is just wasted energy. AI gives instant feedback, correction, and clarity. Learning faster doesn't make you weak, it makes you adaptive. Rule 3. Experience beats tools. Experience matters. But experience plus AI beats experience alone. Someone with 2 years of experience using AI can outperform someone with 10 years ignoring it. This is why people feel frustrated. They're working hard, but not moving forward. It's not because they're failing, it's because they're playing an old game with new rules. Now here's the part that should actually give you relief. AI didn't just disrupt the system, it flattened it. For the first time in history, average people have access to elite-level leverage. You don't need to be the smartest, you need to be the fastest learner. AI doesn't reward background, it rewards adaptability. Give grounding examples. A student from a small city can now learn like someone with private tutors. A solo professional can now operate like a small team. A quiet person can now express ideas clearly. This era doesn't belong to the loudest or hardest workers. It belongs to people who combine effort with tools. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. And that's not a threat, that's a choice. Slow, deliberate. So here's the identity shift you need to make. Stop asking, how can I work harder? Start asking, how can I work smarter and faster? Hard work is not dead. Hard work without leverage is. If you're a student, don't compete on memorization. Compete on understanding. If you're a professional, don't compete on hours. Compete on output. If you're feeling behind, good awareness is the first step to acceleration. Tease. If this video gave you clarity instead of motivation, subscribe. This channel isn't about hype, it's about surviving and winning in the AI era. Also, watch my previous video on I let AI do my work for 7 days. It was scary. It shows practical tools that turn this mindset into real results. Hard work didn't fail you. The rules changed. Now it's your move.